Hello guys, welcome to my channel Raghurite09. If you are new to my channel, so please click on subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified first of my latest videos. And I hope you all are safe at your home during this tough time and taking this time to improve your skills. And most of the people are spending this time in reading, so it's very good video for them and others also who want to make habit of reading and not started yet. So guys, you can start your journey of reading with this book, Loneliness Viral Truth. Today in this video I'll show you how you can buy Loneliness Viral Truth from different platforms from Amazon Kindle and ShopClues. So guys, here we start with our video. So guys, first open your browser and search shopclues.com and click on the first link. By clicking on that link, you will reach the interface of the website shopclues.com and search Loneliness Viral Truth here. When you'll search Loneliness Viral Truth in ShopClues search bar, you will reach the second interface of this website. Now here it's my novel at number 1, so click on that and you'll reach another interface of the website. Here you can click on buy now to buy this novel. If you have login ID and password for shopclues.com, so you can enter your ID and password here and log in via password or log in via OTP, or you can continue without password. Or if you are new, so you have to register here with your email ID or your mobile number, or you can register yourself with Facebook here. So guys, after registering yourself into shopclues.com, you can follow the steps of payment which we are doing while doing online shoppings. Like this, you can buy my novel from shopclues.com. Now guys, we'll see how you can buy my novel from Amazon Kindle. So again, in this, open your browser and search Amazon Kindle in the search bar. Click on first link. You will reach the website interface and search here Loneliness Viral Truth. You will reach the another interface of the website where you will find my novel and number 1 here. Click on that. Okay, now this is the interface from where you can buy my novel, and in the right corner of this interface you can see written here Kindle Unlimited. So if you are Kindle subscriber or if you have Kindle subscription with you, so you can click on read for free. So you can read my novel from here like this. Or if you are not Amazon Kindle subscriber, so you can click on buy now and you can enter your login ID and password if you have login ID password. Or if you don't have your login ID password, so click on create your Amazon account. So here you can register yourself with Amazon Kindle, and after registering yourself on Amazon Kindle, you can buy my novel as follows. With the payment procedure, you have to follow the steps of payment like you do while doing online shoppings. So guys, you can buy my novel from Amazon Kindle like this. And guys, I'll show you one more easiest way to buy my novel from YouTube also. So open your YouTube and search in YouTube Raghurite09, and after searching you will reach the interface like this and click on my channel. You will reach to this interface and you can check description of any of this video, or you can check the description of my channel also. So I'll open this video, and in this I'll show you how you can buy my novel from YouTube also. So here in the description you will find links of ShopClose and Amazon Kindle. So guys, you can directly click on that links and you will reach to the interface directly to the ShopClose website. And I showed you how you can buy my novel from this interface. You have to click on this buy now button, and if you are new you have to register yourself. If you have login ID password, you have to log in yourself in ShopClose, and as follows you have to do your payment procedure. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified first of my latest videos. Thank you guys.